Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today I am back with another Scraptember layout. Today's prompt is stars. I can't believe we're almost done with the month, y'all, already. So today I am doing this layout. I have been, the other day ago, I did gel printing for the very first time, and this was one of my prints that I ended up making. And I know it's hard to see, but there's like a little flower pattern. It's very, very subtle, but I love it. This was my other side. But I wanted to use this one. This is another piece of paper from the Sun Chaser collection that I have been loving. And I cut this out on my Cricut, Winter Chicken Dinner. And I have some tickets. This is pictures from the crop that I went to. And I have some stars that I doodled and cut out. So, this is going to be a really easy layout. It's going to go together. It says Winter Chicken Dinner because all through the weekend we got tickets. We was able to put tickets in. I don't know if you can see it, but here's a basket of the tickets. This is Donna holding the basket of tickets like it was crazy. And of course here's me with some of my tickets. So you got tickets for different things, and you got to put your name on it and put it in the drawing for the grand prize at the end. Well, Donna, I told y'all, she is above and beyond. So not only did she do one grand prize, but she did like, I think, 8 grand prizes. And I was the winner of the very first one. I won first, and I won half off of another crop of hers in 2025. So I'm excited to be going. She has one coming up in March, but she's also doing one, I don't know what month it is, but it's going to be cow themed. And I am so excited for that one. Like, I hope I get to go because she goes over the top with decorating and games and all those things, and it's so much fun. Okay, so like I said, this one's going to be easy, but I did want to add a little bit of splatter to over here in white just to help break up all the blue. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue this down. This side was pretty too, but I really, really like this side. I probably couldn't do it again. No matter how hard I try, it still wouldn't turn out the same. I did so many different ones. I actually went back. I've had it for quite some time. I just never used the jelly plate. And I went back and watched an old video of Vicki Booten from around Christmas time, and she did a Christmas themed one, and she printed all these papers and front and back, and then made a big tag flip book out of them, like a little mini album, and I absolutely loved it. So I might do that with mine. I don't know yet, but right now I'm going to use one on here because I thought it was super fun making my own background. Okay, so I'm going to glue photos down. And I apologize if there's a glare. I'll stand up and look and try to fix it. Let's see here. Oh, that's pretty good. There's no glare. Ooh, I'm awesome. Ah, the wheel of my chair's hung on my power cord. Okay. So my next thing is I wanted to use these tickets. These were actual tickets that were in the basket. It has people's names on them, so I don't want to flip them over because some of them people just used a address label and stuck them on there. I guess they had a lot they wanted to get rid of. But I said next time I am most definitely bringing my my stamp that has my name on it that I use to stamp my swaps with. That way I can just totally go through and stamp, and be done with it. Because it was a lot of writing. Like, we got hundreds of tickets over the weekend. So, it was a lot, y'all. It was a lot. And I'm just randomly going to put these up through here in all sorts of ways. And I have a bunch more because they let us just grab some handfuls to make our pages. Let's see. Let's do purple next. Trying to be careful about flipping them over. I don't want to give away information posted out there. Let's see here. I guess I should flip some of them over and make the smiley face be going the right way. Okay. That looks good enough to me. Okay. There's that. Let me make sure y'all are still in frame. I moved the page a little bit. Okay. So then I'm just going to add my title on. I think I'm going to put it down here. I think I'll do it here. And I think I'll pop it up on foam somewhat. So much fun. I can't wait to go back to another one of Donna's crops. If I remember, I will link it below. But her, she has a Facebook group that she posts all her crops on, and it is called Scraptember. Hey, Pip. What's up, buddy? I can't see through you. I'm trying to work. I can't hold you, Pip. Stop. Stop. I can't hold you. I'm just gonna put my... Sorry, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see Pip or not, but he's like right here on me. He thinks he needs to be a part of all the things. The kids are at school. No, sir. I am trying to make a page. Sorry. Lay in my lap. Lay down. The kids are back at school, so he thinks that he needs to be babied every day and be held and carried around like a baby, and he is a mess. He hasn't grown out of any of it yet. He's laying on my arm. Pip, what are you doing, dude? Hey, I gotta have my stuff here. Okay, you can lay there. We don't need cat paws, Pip, on the page. This cat, he is something else, y'all. For real, like, he's so smart. Let's see, I think I'll do some over here. He's probably over here looking like, I see you using my foam tape, because y'all know, if you've watched for any length of time, you know he's a little brat and he likes to steal the foam tape and the daubers. I have to keep them locked up now, so that he can't get them. Let's see. I want to do some up here. Maybe I should do a green one. I think the green one needs to go down there. Okay. I thought it was only fitting to add some doodled stars, since stars was the prompt, and I did a doodle class at the crop, and everyone loved it. If y'all were there, I hope y'all are having fun still doodling. I've had so many of y'all message me and be like, okay, I'm at Walmart. What do I need to buy? Very, very basic. I do have a video on that if you weren't at the crop and you're interested. There is a doodle video. It's probably a couple months back. I think it was in, I want to say May, probably, is whenever I did it. If I remember, I'll try to link it. But, don't hold me to it. Because I'm terrible about remembering. I really do have a terrible memory. Let's see. I kind of feel like it needs something else. Excuse me, sir. Get your foot off my hand. I'm trying to work here. I know. You think you need all the attention. You just pitiful, ain't you? Oh, him just pitiful, baby. Needs all the love. Brooke's not here to hold him. And tote him around and be his little personal servant. I don't know if he's in frame or not, if y'all can see him, but he's something else. Pip, really? Stop knocking over my stuff. Okay, so I think that's good. I'll probably just write in where we were in the date just for this page. But other than that, I think everything's good. If you don't stop, you little brat, get down. Alright, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and Pip today. Pip, say hey. Say hey. Say hi. Up here. Up here. He's like, yeah, I ain't doing what you want. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Check out the playlist below for Scraptember and everyone else playing along. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.